Honorable Chairman, कल मैंने इस आर्टिकल पर अपना भाषण शुरू किया था। स्पीकर ने कहा था कि इसे रूल के मुताबिक किया जाए, तो अब मैं चाहता हूं कि ये जो आर्टिकल है ये ऑथेंटिकेट किया जाए। आप ऑथेंटिकेट कीजिए और मैं इस पे बात करना चाहता हूँ। हाँ, मैं दे रहा हूँ ना, दिया है मैंने, दे रहा हूँ, ये रहा, यही मैं कर रहा हूँ। तो
Okay.
माने
Give it authenticated.
सर, दिस
Please
इज
table it.
टेबल इट प्लीज।
Table for me.
Please table it. We
Speaker
will
sir,
examine it and we'll get back to you.
Chairman, right?
And
Chairman sir,
yeah,
I have authenticated the article.
Please continue on Honorable President's speech.
Yes. So, as I said yesterday, very important matter in the President's speech is the matter of national security and our relationship between us and the Chinese and the Pakistanis. There is a very important matter that is quoted inside this article that I have authenticated, which speaks about the reaction of the Prime Minister and
Sir, I'm once again. No. Please.
No, sir.
Once again.
Sir,
No, once again. Sir, I'm once again requesting you to please restrict yourself to the speech of the Honorable President. I'm requesting LOP to please
There's a
restrict
confusion.
himself to
I had
the
a-
speech of the Honorable President.
let us not mislead the House. Let us clear the confusion. Today also I had requested both Venugopalji and Gauravji also. We are patiently waiting to listen to the Honorable Leader of the Opposition. The matter which was referred to just now, yesterday the Chair has given a ruling. On the paper on which he has authenticated, there is table in the House. But what I'm saying is, when a ruling has already been given on a matter which he referred yesterday, he can't be quoting same matter again in a pretext of making a reference indirectly. He cannot refer on the same matter. Please continue with your speech, we are waiting, but please avoid referring to a matter which has been settled.
Sir, Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister is trying to mislead the House. Of course, he called us, me and Gaurav Gogoi. Sir, please.
Sir,
Because Parliamentary Affairs Minister
when
quoted
Honorable
me.
LOP is standing.
Yes, he quoted me.
Sir, when
That's
Honorable
why
LOP is standing,
I want to give a
when
clarification.
Honorable
on that.
LOP is standing, you are
Please allow me
speaking.
to give a clarification, sir.
No,
Please allow me. 1 minute.
no, sir. When Honorable LOP is
1
standing,
minute.
you are speaking.
1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Sir, 1 minute
Please permit him to speak.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister took my name. You know, 1 minute clarification.
No, sir. Please permit him to speak.
What
He's
is
already
this, sir?
started his speech, sir.
Sir,
He
sir, what
started
is
his
this?
speech, sir. Let him speak.
Our Speaker, what was the Speaker's ruling yesterday? Don't quote the book, don't quote the magazine. This was the only ruling of the Speaker. But, sir,
No, sir. Please listen to me. He started his speech.
So
Please let him
Parliamentary
continue. He started his
I need a
speech. Let him
clarification
continue his
because
speech.
Parliamentary Affairs
He's
Minister
Honorable-
quoted me.
Honorable
He took
LOP.
my name.
Sir, what is, see, you want him to speak or not?
Look, this is only for, this house is only for them.
What is
This
this
is not
here?
for us. What is
What
this?
is this thing? What
This
you are
house is
saying?
only for
He
them.
has taken his date.
No, once again.
And what you are saying?
Mr. Venugopal, kindly be seated once again.
You are not understanding.
No, listen. No, please listen. What did you say just now? What did you say just now? What is this yar? What is this yar?
What is this?
This is Parliament. This is Lok Sabha. You can't address the chair. You cannot address the chair with yar. What is this yar? No, you cannot address the chair by saying yar. No. Please take back your word. You can't say chair yar. No. You cannot. No, 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 no. Honorable LOP is standing on his feet to speak. You are not allowing him to speak. माननीय राहुल गांधी जी आप बोलिएगा. No, no, no. Please allow him to speak. 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 No, no.
चेयरमैन साहब यार कह दिया तो क्या हो गया? कोई आफत आ गई है?
No, not correct. No. There is a quorum.